Hello guys, today we are unboxing one of Huion's latest tablets, the Kamvas Pro 16. They were nice enough to ask me if I want to check this out, so here it is. First of all, I want to apologize for the video. I was doing this with one hand. I currently don't own a phone mount for a tripod. Let's start by taking off this lid and seeing what's inside. Alright, there's the tablet wrapped in thin white plastic. I don't know what material it is. There's a warning or a reminder sticker to take off that plastic or peel off that plastic before drawing on it. It's just a protective surface. Here's the back of the tablet, and let's set that aside first. Removing that cardboard cover, we'll see the stand. Okay, there's two price points for this product, one with the stand and one without. It's the same stand that came with my GT 156 HD. You can get this in Amazon as well. The instructions packet has the warranty information, setup instructions, and all that good stuff. It also has a free screen cleaner cloth under everything, and under the packet itself there's that artist's glove, the two-finger glove. Alright, let's set this aside and let's check out the stylus. This time around it's battery free. I believe it's the same one as what the Kamvas Pro 13 has, and yeah, that's what it looks like. And this is a 3-in-1 cord where you connect the tablet, the PC, and the power. This is the pen stand that looks like a donut. It houses all the tips in there and the tip remover tool. And last but not the least, it's the adapter. It only comes with a US plug this time and not the international ones. Here are the two styluses or styli. I'm looking at the new one, the battery free one right now, and then this is the one that you need to charge. I still like the shape of this one because it's a little bit thinner. I don't like the bulge near the tip. Okay, here's a shot of everything that's in the box. This is the tablet, stylus, cleaner cloth, the adapter, the stand, and the glove that came with. And yeah, it's a pretty solid device. I like how it looks like and how it's presented to the consumer. Lastly, this is just a comparison shot between the two, the GT 156 HD V2 and the Kamvas Pro 16. As you can see, the colors on the red is a little bit diffused, but at the same time, they're both really good. I will be recording a video review and a drawing video for the Kamvas Pro 16, so stay tuned for that. And thanks for watching, guys.